This morning reports the director of the hospital at the center of the coronavirus epidemic has died after contracting the disease. The 51-year-old neurosurgeon passing away overnight. The hospital releasing a statement saying in part, without regard to his personal safety, he led the medical staff of the Wuhan hospital at the front lines of the fight against the epidemic. It comes amid confusion in Cambodia after an American woman aboard this cruise ship, the Westerdam, tested positive for the coronavirus 2 days after she and hundreds of passengers were allowed to disembark and cleared for travel. Some 300 left the country after passing health screenings, scattering across the globe. She was diagnosed after landing in Malaysia. The news triggering immediate concerns about the spread of the virus. Were other passengers, including some 600 Americans, exposed? And are passengers traveling home infecting anyone else? Those still in Cambodia now unable to leave, with 92 Americans still on the ship and under quarantine until Wednesday. Another 260 remain in Cambodian hotels.
You have to self-quarantine.
Frank King, who worked on the ship, making the trip from Cambodia to Seattle overnight, clearing several checkpoints along the way.
There was the most extensive questioning. Have you been to mainland China? Have you been to the Wuhan province?
This comes as 338 Americans who were quarantined on a different ship off the coast of Japan arrived at U.S. military bases Monday morning to begin a 2-week quarantine. 14 of those passengers who tested positive for the virus given a police escort and rushed to medical facilities.
It was a nightmare.
The Moleskis were on the flight home from the Diamond Princess.
There were people that were just in basically a plastic tent that were sitting behind us.
They say they felt vulnerable and exposed on the flight.
We had to walk by them. Even though they were enclosed, there was nothing on top. There was nothing filtering the air.
With the number of cases in China climbing above 70,000 and the death toll approaching 2,000, this morning a deadly virus with a global reach as fear spreads faster than the illness itself.
And Miguel, now there's concern about a case in Hawaii and its potential spread. What do you know about that?
Yes, Savannah, officials in Hawaii confirmed that a Japanese couple who tested positive for the virus spent time in the popular tourism district area and also at a very popular hotel. Today, they are tracking their flight details and the people they spent time with. So far, no one in Hawaii has been sick, but that's a big scare on the island there.